Hey, welcome back. I want to share with you the best set of screwdrivers I believe I found. That's if you have the nostalgic of, wooden handles. Because I'm sure there are some other heavy-duty metal ones out there. But anyway, this is from Lee Valley, Canada. And these are the screwdrivers. They have a triangular rounded handle. They're made in Japan. There's one isn't. Here it is. They're made in Japan, so there's no Chinesium here. I guess it's Japanesium, but they take a lot of pride in what they do. Metal and the front and the back. The shaft goes all the way through and is attached to a striking plate, so you can hit this like screwdrivers without damaging the handle. And I believe they're all magnetized. There is another, if you're into wooden handle, there is another set that I actually like, which I own too. I'll show you in a second. Just let me get all these guys out of here. So you get 3 of each length and size. This is flat, Philip, and Robertson. And here's your medium. All you're hearing is probably plastic crimpling, but just bear with me for a second. Let's get rid of this. I'm gonna make an ash rack. So here's your shorty ones. That's the whole set. I'll put a screenshot to the Lee Valley page where I got this from, but these are amazing. Nice and thick. And the other set, which I have, is right here. I do love it. However, it does not come with Robertson. You only get Philip and flat. But these are it. Philo, I think it is. Anyways, this I bought from Amazon. I'll find this and leave a screenshot to it. And I don't put a link because I'm in Canada and we get Amazon.ca, so more than likely it's somewhere else. So you're just gonna have to search for if you're looking for it. But this ones also have the shaft all the way through. They have a bit of cork at the end. Having said that, if you strike the shaft just slightly below the wood, so these ones won't necessarily be striking. But the cool thing about this is that they have the hex here, so if you need extra leverage, you can always put a wrench there and do that. So anyways, I'm a sucker for old-fashioned stuff with wooden handles, as you can see. But that's my short review. This mini gorilla that I got that we'll put together soon. That'll be another video. But that's it for this one. I'll thank you for being here, and I'll see you at the next one.